Hi dear friends, welcome all to a short course on AI. Today I am going to share with you the course syllabus, learning outcome of this course. The main aim is to introduce you to Brain Initiative and also discuss the different approaches that are being done by many scientists all around the world. I have divided the program into 3 modules and you will have 2 instructors. One is me, definitely you know me, I am Sibi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Physics, University of Kerala. The second instructor is my dear friend Sri Jidin. He is a sound engineer and has a lot of working experience in different firms like WIFT, Safari TV, Neo Film Institute, etc. Jointly, we are planning to conduct this course. Let me share with you the syllabus and the structure of the course plan. As mentioned in the PDF document which was circulated before, there are 3 modules. Module 1 contains mind and consciousness, physics viewpoint of consciousness. We will talk about telepathy, telekinesis, and the significance of dream, what is an artificial mind, silicon consciousness, reverse engineering the brain for artificial intelligence. I will handle this session through some pre-recorded videos uploaded through online platforms like YouTube and Google Classroom. Module 2 contains Fourier transform, periodic series, integrals, what is a periodic function, Fourier series, Fourier integral, and transforms. And then we will discuss about the applications of solution in one-dimensional waveforms. This section is based on mathematical aspects of how to analyze a waveform. We all know that sound is a wave, and we are trying to understand the characteristic of this wave through Fourier transform. And again, this session will be handled by me. I used to take this topic for PG students, hence it will be easy for me to give you some pre-recorded classes from this section. But I will definitely specifically focus on the theme. Module 3 is a joint venture with me and Sri Jidin. We will handle the classes like this. The first session will be handled by Jidin, that is sound and hearing, the basics of sound, waveform characteristics, amplitude, frequency, velocity, wavelength, phase, phase shift, harmonic content, loudness level, the decibel, and also the perception of direction and perception of space. While the second section, that is the acoustic measurement for AI research, that will be handled by me. We will talk about analysis of sound using Fourier transform. Some properties like intensity and loudness will be discussed. We will talk about tones, voices, speech sounds, analysis of vowel sounds, musical instruments. Then we will come to different musical instruments like violin, veena, piano, wind instruments, organ, flute, and also nadaswaram. And few videos will be uploaded in these topics. Then we will have 1 or 2 Google Meet to understand how to work upon the exercises planned to analyze sound systematically for AI, artificial intelligence applications. This above discussed part will be the heart of the program, where we plan to use your presence with aids like mobile phone and laptops to real-time analysis of the waveform on certain features of music. I would like to say that it will have direct implications in brain research and thereby collecting database for AI development. For the time being, see this video, and also I am sharing one video link where I will like to discuss the vision of this course. This is again all are pre-recorded videos. You can see one at a time. And what video I am sharing now is done for school childrens. But this video will give you a brief outline of the approach of this course through a physics perspective. You may probably get an idea that this course is structured purely for gaining knowledge in brain initiative done in some pioneer institutions. Thank you all for patiently watching. Have a beautiful day.